Senators recently examined the country's power supply challenges, focusing on recent outages. Senator Raffy Tulfo questioned the maintenance of power plants, stating that equipment failure should not be an excuse if proper procedures are followed. Meanwhile, the Energy Regulatory Commission, or ERC, admitted that no regular maintenance inspections are conducted on power plants, raising concerns about reliability.
Your Honors, in terms of maintenance inspection po, wala hong regular na maintenance
So
inspection
pwedeng
po.
after 10 years, after 50 years, after 100 years, saka mag-inspect, okay lang.
Opo.
Diyan kayo nagka-problema. Diyan tayo may problema.
Opo.
Kaya pala marami mga outages, power outages, na kapag nag-inquire kami, sinasabi yung planta nag-back down dahil nasira, dahil merong pyesa ang kailangang palitan at kailangang pang-orderin kung saan lupalop ng mundo o lupalop na lugar. So, hindi nyo ginagawa ang trabaho nyo dyan sa ERC.